Today we're going to be taking a look at total internal reflection of light. It's a pretty simple experiment that you can do at home. All you'll need is a glass of water, preferably a square glass, and a laser. So as you increase the laser angle here, you can see that once we reach 48.5 degrees specifically for water and air, it will no longer be able to pass through the water, and it gets reflected back in, and that's what total internal reflection of light is. The 48.5 degrees, that's they're called the critical angle of light, and it changes depending on what medium you're using. So that's just water and air that it's at the 48.5 degrees. But as you can see, it's a pretty fun little experiment. It's always fun to play with lasers. But thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and you'll be able to see all my future videos. Thanks again. Bye-bye.